Hello everyone, welcome to ViTech Talks. In this lecture, we are going to see how to create RAML and publish into Exchange by using Anypoint Code Builder. By using Anypoint Code Builder. In the previous video, we have seen how to set up Code Builder into your local machine, okay, and how to create sample RAML, okay. So that is what we have seen. And in this video, we are going to see how to create RAML and publish into Exchange, okay, publish into Exchange by using Anypoint Code Builder. Let's enter into the topic. So in order to create RAML and publish into Exchange, so what we need to do, we need to open VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So here you can see Anypoint Code Builder option. So this is the option, okay, Anypoint Code Builder. Just click on this one. Just click on this one. So in order to design an API, click on Design an API option. So there is another way also, I'll tell you later, okay. So as of now, you can practice this, design an API. Click on this design. So here you need to provide your API name. I'm going to provide ViTech, okay, ViTech. Just simply I'll keep it as test API or else ViTech. So welcome API I'm going to create. So click on browse here. So where you want to store. So I want to keep it into C drive, sorry, F, MuleSoft Code Builder. So this is my path. This is my path. So here you need to select the RAML version which you are going to design. Either you are going to use RAML or you are going to use OAS. So we are going to use RAML here. Click on RAML and create project. See, as soon as if you create project, the default or the sample project, it will create like this. Okay, it will create like this. So here you can see, so the name, the classifier and API version and the version we are going to use. So this one is the sample. Now, so in order to, previously, if you want to design something, what you need to do, you need to go to design center and we are creating API specification. But just observe now, so there is no ViTech welcome API here. Okay. Also, in an Exchange, we don't have. If you go to Exchange also, if you go to Exchange, we don't have any API specifications. Okay, so far. Now, just simply create, okay, title. So if you want, you can give description here. Okay, you want to see what is the description and the console. Okay, just click on this API console. Just observe now, description. So this is my welcome API. Okay, welcome API from ViTech Talks. ViTech Talks. Now, so which method you want to use? So before that, what is the resource path? I want to use resource path as welcome. Okay, give two spaces or tab. Okay, that is up to you. Now you can see get. Okay, now we are using method, get method. So after this, responses. So inside these responses, so what is the status code? 200. Then the body. So what type of information you are going to use it here? 1 minute, just a second. Okay. Payload media type is mandatory. Okay. After 200, we are going to keep application slash JSON. Okay. So body only. .200 body application slash JSON. Then you need to provide example. So here we are going to provide example here. Message. Welcome to ViTech Talks. Welcome to ViTech Talks. Anypoint. Code build. See, if you click this one, get option. So here you can see, okay, whatever the message we have given. So that is displaying here. You can click on try it. So by using try it, you can test. Okay, you can test. Now, see if you use tab option, right? It's okay. If you use tab option, there are more spaces it is coming. So better what you can do, you can use two spaces. Okay, to follow indentation, just give two spaces. That looks good. Okay, that looks good. So compared to this one, 200. Body. So like this, you can reformat. Okay. Now I want to add this one. Click on Shift to tab. Okay, only select these two lines and click on Shift tab. Okay. Now just do save it. Okay. This is our RAML design. Okay. You can assume this is our RAML design. And what I will do, I'll go to Exchange. I don't see anything here. I just observe. You can go to View, Command Palette. Okay. Control Shift P. This is very important. Control Shift P. Type MuleSoft. In order to publish, right? Okay, what you can do, type pub, okay, publish API specification to Exchange. So first we need to log in. Okay. So if it is very first time, what you need to do? You need to log in into the portal. Okay, click on open. It will go to external website. So what is your username? So my username is this one. Okay, click on open. Allow. Okay, now you can see VIT school 15. VIT school 15 here. So now we can go to Exchange. See, as of now, just it's logged in. Okay, that's it. Now what you need to do, again, one more time, it is searching. Okay, Control Shift P, Control Shift P, MuleSoft, publish API specification to Exchange. I think it is loading. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Okay, welcome. ViTech welcome API. Okay. So after this, what you need to do? Okay, it's very simple. Okay, just observe. Just observe. Control Shift P, MuleSoft, publish API specification to Exchange, right? Okay. So here you need to select your business group. It is asking. Okay. It is asking business group here. Now you need to concentrate on this top options. So while publishing, it is going to ask some options. ViTech. Okay. Now what is your API which you want to publish? See, set project name and click on enter. Now set artifact ID. Okay, same. So what is the version? 1.0.0. Now, what is the API version? V1 or V2 or V3? Now it is going to publish. Publish API specification to Exchange. Okay. So it will take few seconds to publish. Just wait for few seconds. Or meanwhile, I'll go to Exchange. Yes, still not yet published. Still not yet published. Now we can see API specification successfully published into Exchange. So what you can do, you can go to Anypoint platform account, click on Exchange. See now, see ViTech welcome API. Okay, ViTech welcome API is published. Is published. So this is how. Okay, would you like to implement ViTech welcome API? Yes. So if you want to implement, I mean, so once it is published, you want to implement. I mean, if you want to start development, then you need to click on yes, and you need to provide project name so that automatically it is going to create. I'll keep it here. ViTech welcome API. Just I'll keep it as V1. Just observe now. Select the target folder. So where you want to create. Okay, it seems like it is failed. Okay, it is created. It is created sample project. Okay, fine. After giving yes, you can create sample project. Okay, once that is done, what you can do, you can import if you want. You can import by using open folder. Okay. So as of now, we have completed create RAML and publish into Exchange. Okay, successfully. In the next video, we are going to see how to import. Okay, how to import from Exchange and how to start development. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. We'll see you in the next video.